Good morning, students. So here we are back again. So I hope all of you are doing well. In our last class, we have studied about sentences and parts of sentences. Okay. So in today's class, we are going to continue with the next chapter, that is common nouns. First of all, I'm going to ask, what is a noun according to you? You must be all knowing that what is a noun. Yes, noun is a name of a person, place, animal, thing. Okay, so noun is the name of a person, place, animal and thing. Okay, and if we are talking about common noun, first of all, I am going to write what is a noun. Okay, noun. Noun. It is a name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Okay, so it goes like this. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. And when we are talking about common noun, what is common noun? It is again name of a person, place, animal, or thing in general. Now you are going to ask, ma'am, what is general? Like when I am talking about mother, it can be my mother also, your mother also. It can be your mother, everybody's mother. Okay, so it is general term that is used. Okay, I'm not naming the person. Like if I am naming, I'm telling you that my mother's name is Mary, that is her name. But if I'm talking about general name, that is mother, it can be your mother also, my mother also, and everybody's mother. Okay, so that is the example of common noun. One more example if I have to give of animal, like tiger. Tiger again comes in common noun. Okay, tiger again comes in common noun. Tiger doesn't have a name. If we are going to name it, then it will become proper noun. Okay, whenever somebody gives a name, that noun becomes a proper noun. When we are talking simply general names like mother, father, if in animals, tiger, horse, these all come under common noun. Exactly. And when we are talking about a city, like Bhopal city, but if I am saying just the city, it can be any city. Okay, like if I am saying Bhopal city, then we are giving the name. And if I am not giving the name, I am just mentioning you the city, then that is the common noun. Exactly. And when we are moving on to places, it can be any place. Any place, you must be liking any place. So I am talking just the general term, that is places. I am not giving you the name of that place. I am just telling you places. So these all things come under common noun. First, what example I gave you from person? Mother. Then tiger from animal. Then again, if I am talking about a thing, we can name like if I am talking about thing, we can say it car. We don't know the name of the car. It can be any car. Okay? And if I am naming it like Mercedes Benz, or if I am talking about Maruti Suzuki, then I am naming it. Then that will be proper noun. And if I am not mentioning you the name, I am just telling you that car. You can go to any other car. Okay? You just know that that is the car. Okay? You don't know the name of the car. So that is common noun. If I am just telling you, like if I am giving you an example like a dog, street dog. So many dogs are there. It can be any dog. It can be a pet dog. It can be your dog, my dog, or any other dog. That all come under common noun. If I am talking about the general name. If I am giving you the name of that dog, like Bruno, then that will come under proper noun. But here we are talking about just the common noun, which only tells about the dog. Okay, we don't have to go for the name of that dog. We are just talking about the dog. I am just talking to you about the dog. It can be your dog also, it can be my dog also. Again, for car, I gave you the example of car. I am talking about car. It can be any car. And when it comes to name, then that will be a proper noun. That will come afterward. But now we are talking about common noun, which will come under common noun only, that is the car only. Okay, now like a child, if I am talking child, give me this answer. Anybody can give me the answer. Okay, you are going to think which ma'am is talking to whom. If I am telling you student, give me the answer. Student can be you also, you also, you also, any student. Okay, I am not naming the student, I am just telling student, give me the answer. Child, give me the answer. Okay, I am not naming anybody over here, so that will be common noun. Exactly, when we are not naming anybody, that is when we are talking about general names. Mother, father, son. Son can be any son. Okay, son, like it can be anybody's son. Okay, daughter, anybody's daughter. We are not talking about the name of that daughter, but it can be any of the daughter. So everything that comes in general, like common noun, like if you say in the class, like if I am saying hello student, everybody will stand and answer. I have not told it to the one student in the class, but I said hello student. It can be to any student. Okay, everybody will stand and say hello ma'am. Okay, so I am here talking about general. Okay, general things that come in common noun. Like if I am naming that student, if I am saying Swasti, then that noun will come under proper noun, because we know the name of that child. When we don't know the name of that child, then it will come under common noun. Like this is a boy, this is a car, this is a dog, this is a fort. These all will come under common noun. This is a boy. Boy is a general boy. Any boy can be there. I am not mentioning that only this boy, only Rahul. No, I am just telling this is a boy. That's it. This is a girl. That's it. You don't know anything about that boy. Who is that boy? What is the boy's name? But I am telling you, this is a boy, this is a car. You don't know the name of the car, but I am just telling you that this is a car. Exactly. This is a fort. You don't know which fort. Red fort, any fort it could be. But I am just telling you, this is a fort. If I am talking about this is a dog, any dog it can be. I am not naming that dog. Okay, this is a dog. You don't know the name, that comes under common noun. So these all things will come under common noun. This is a boy, this is a dog, this is a cat, this is a fort, or this is a car. Anything, name, place, animal, thing. Okay, when we are talking in general, okay, that will come under common noun. Okay, a girl can be any girl without a specific name. Okay, if I am talking about this is a girl, it can be any girl. It can be this girl, that girl, any girl. Okay, I am not talking about a particular girl in the class, but it can be any girl. This is a girl. Okay, computer, any computer. I am not talking about the brand of that computer. Like I am not talking about Apple computer, any computer, but I am just telling computer. Specific, okay, general. I am not specifying it with the name. No, I am just telling the general, that is computer. Father, it can be any father, like your father, my father, anybody's father. So that is general term. City can be any city, Bhopal city, or any other city which you people know, or any of the places. Okay, but I am just now talking about the city, not the name of that city. Okay, we don't know the name of that city. The city will be common noun. Yes. Now, we have learnt about who serve us. Okay, who serve us? Like, can you give me the example of who serve us? Like, who are the people who work for us? Like, who care? Like, who take care of us in many other ways? Like, if I'm talking about a doctor, can be any doctor. I'm not specifying the name of that doctor, any doctor, dermatologist or any doctor. Okay, I'm not talking about the name of the doctor. Like if I'm talking about, I'm telling to you Dr. Rahul, then you will say, okay, I'll have to go to Dr. Rahul. If I say you go and visit that doctor, you don't know the name of the doctor. Okay, here we don't know the name of the doctor. We are only talking about doctor. So doctor will come under common noun. Again, painter. I am talking about painter. That painter is very good. You are going to ask which painter? What is the name of the painter? But here I am not going to tell you the name of the painter. I am just talking about painter. So painter is common noun. If I am telling you teacher, teacher, it can be any teacher, me or other teacher or your maths teacher, English teacher, social teacher, any teacher. It can be any teacher. Okay, so teacher is in common. Okay, we use the word teacher common for all the teachers. We use it for maths teacher also. We use it for computer teacher also. We use it for your art and craft teacher also. Teacher is the common noun, common word used for all the teachers. Now driver. A driver can be any driver. Your bus driver, your school van driver, your car driver. It can be any driver. So again, we are talking about general. So it will come under common noun. If I am talking about the cobbler, cobbler again, it can be any cobbler. That will also come under common noun. If I am talking about the sweeper, you have seen many sweepers, okay? I am not talking about a particular sweeper or the name of that sweeper. It can be any sweeper, okay? So that will again come under common noun. If I am talking about a particular cook, it can be your cook, my cook, or any person who cooks in the school. It can be any person. So that will also come under common noun. If I am talking about a policeman, so many policemen are there, okay? I'm not naming them, okay? I'm just talking about that policeman, okay? So that will also come under common noun. Like in this exercise, when we are talking about, look at the list of names of person, places, things, birds, given below. Read the nouns and put them in correct order. You just have to put it in correct order. Wherever the space is given for person, place, animal or thing, you just have to write over there. Like for person, you are going to write father, mother, brother, sister. If you are talking about places, you are going to write airport, classroom, school, park. If we are talking about animals, you are going to write cat, dog, lion, elephant. If you are talking about things, you can write anything, pencil, eraser, chair, dress, book, anything. Okay, so this is the first exercise which you are going to do. It is very simple. You just have to write the names of the person, place, animals and things in the box given. In the next exercise, here again it is a very easy exercise which goes like this. Write person, place, animal or thing in front of that. Like market, what is according to you? Is it a person? Is it a thing? No, it is a place. Market is a place. We go to that place. If you are talking about buffalo, buffalo is a person or thing? No, it is animal. If you are talking about airport, airport is a place. Fox, again animal. Toffee, thing. We eat, that is thing. Telephone, again thing. Actor, person. Mechanic, again person. Chalk, chalk is a thing. So we have completed the exercise. So now students, as we know all about common nouns, it is very simple. First of all, again I am going to recall it. A noun, it is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. And when we are talking about common noun, then it is a name of a person, place, animal or thing in general. For example, doctor. Okay, nurse. If I'm talking about a place, city. Okay, it can be anything, but we are not naming that. Okay, we are not specifying it with the name. We are just talking it in general. So this was all for today's class. That was of common nouns. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.